Hey there, and welcome to Master ChatGPT in 30 minutes. I'm your guide, and in this mini course, I'm going to show you how to save time, grow faster, and work smarter using ChatGPT. No tech background required. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, content creator, or all three, you're constantly spinning plates, writing posts, planning launches, replying to emails, brainstorming ideas. What if you could hand some of that off to a machine that actually understands context, tone, and goals? ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a business partner that works 24/7, doesn't sleep, and never needs coffee. By the end of this course, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT to write faster, market smarter, plan your business, and boost productivity, without relying on random prompt hacks or guesswork. We'll start with how to talk to ChatGPT so it actually does what you want. Then we'll dive into content creation, writing captions, blog outlines, even email campaigns. Next, we'll handle marketing and sales copy that sounds like you, not a robot. Finally, we'll wrap up with planning, productivity, and automation hacks that save you hours.